The wonderful Rinde Eckert joined us in 2019 for the first time. He played Feste in Twelfth Night and the Prince in Romeo and Juliet. Rinde wrote all the music for Twelfth Night, and here he is with one of those beautiful pieces. Enjoy.
Come away, death, and in sad cypress let me be laid. Fly away, breath. I am slain by a fair, cruel maid. My shroud of white, decked all with you, oh, prepare it. My part of death, no one so true did share it. Not a flower sweet on my black coffin, let there be strown. Not a friend greet my poor corpse where my bones shall be thrown. A thousand sighs to save lay me, oh where, sad true lover, never find my grave to weep there. Come away, death, and in sad cypress let me be laid. Fly away, breath. I am slain by a fair, cruel maid. I am